Yo, how you all doing out there? We have some serious alpha for you. NFTs and blockchain tech in Meta's Horizon worlds. Could this really be happening? Well, if so, we all know what this could mean to the whole crypto ecosystem, so let's check this out. Obviously, all of us have recently been quite amused by the fake-like avatars in Meta's Horizon worlds demos. Some of you folks even started to question in how the heck Mark Zuckerberg could invest tens of billions of dollars into this virtual reality world and getting results like that. And finally, the stock tanking shows even investors seem to disagree with Zuckerberg's larger vision and emphasis on the metaverse. And then we have the big question, what about crypto? After all, the metaverse is a big thing in crypto, Decentraland, Sandbox, Scala and Wilder Worlds. There's a lot going on over here, and at the same time some people were pretty pissed off by the fact that Facebook rebranded to Meta, kind of occupying the wording of the metaverse. However, it is obvious why also some of us might have been quite disappointed not to find any clues on the architecture of Horizon Worlds and interoperability at the Meta Connect event. Will there be NFTs? Will there be crypto? Will Meta even be an open world unlike Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp? None of that was even mentioned. But we finally have found out something that might interest you. In the brand new Coursera course issued by Meta Blueprint, we have finally found some pretty surprising insights on how the social network giant is planning to actually integrate with the crypto space. And it might become better than we think.
When we talk about the interoperability of digital wallets and items, it's important that we also discuss a key term that you'll see more of later in this course: blockchain. Essentially, blockchain is a technology that securely stores electronic information and provides proof of ownership. The information in blockchain can be shared, but not copied. When you buy something in the metaverse that uses blockchain technology, a record of that transaction is written to the blockchain, providing you and the spaces you visit with proof of ownership. One type of item you might purchase in the metaverse is an NFT.
Whoa, so that dude is seriously talking about interoperability, NFTs and blockchain in a Meta Coursera course about the metaverse? I mean, that is a pretty strong statement if you are asking me. But wait until you hear what the other dude has to say about that.
The ecosystem of the metaverse consists of the technologies we need to access it, as well as the spaces and worlds where we'll interact, all working together. So, who's going to create the parts of this metaphorical building, especially the foundation and ground floor on which all the metaverse experiences will rest? The answer is a lot of people. The standards, protocols, platforms, and networks that the metaverse will be built on will be created by a host of individuals and companies. The internet as we know it today isn't owned by any one company. Similarly, the metaverse won't be developed and managed by a few, but by many.
Hold on a second. These dudes are literally declaring the metaverse an open and decentralized space. That is pretty massive news from a centralized corporation such as Meta, who was often criticized for being a huge data silo extracting value of the users.
We're also exploring new types of ownership models and entitlements to ensure people feel confident that they actually own something. This will make it easier for people to sell limited edition digital objects like NFTs, display them in their digital spaces, and even resell them to the next person securely. In short, the metaverse will remove many of the physical constraints we see on commerce today and make entirely new businesses possible. While this is very exciting, the metaverse is all about co-creating. We're building this together with creators, developers, and entrepreneurs.
Well, there you got it. Meta's Horizon Worlds is officially aiming to build NFT marketplaces and make the use of blockchain technology for an open and decentralized metaverse. So if you are asking us whether you like Meta or not, this is amazing news for the whole crypto space. Even though we gotta be a bit cautious, as you can never know what a corporation such as Meta is actually gonna be doing. But I mean, there's like 2.5 billion people on their social networks right now. Let that sink in. So what do you think about this major move of Meta Horizon Worlds opening up for NFTs and blockchain technology? Leave a comment and have a good one. and subscribe to our channel for more metaverse news.